Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey, and today's unique recipe is potato wedges, spicy potato wedges. So let's get started. For the written ingredients, do have a look onto the description box below, please. So here I've taken around 5 to 6 medium-sized potatoes, and see that you wash the dirt off. Completely wash it clear. We shall now divide and slit cut them. Cut them into half and then divide and slit cut them into the same lengthwise equally. Post you cut the potatoes, see that you immediately transfer them into a cold water. It avoids browning and the potatoes wouldn't turn black. Submerge them completely. The potatoes should not contact with the air. Please wash the potatoes twice and discard the starch water. Wash it well thoroughly. See that you do not miss any pieces, and the excess starch should be drained out. Post you discard the starch water. You need to thoroughly wash it again with very cold water, that is ice cold water. This will help it to give the crispiness to the veggies actually. So see that you don't miss this step. We need just more 5 minutes to start with the process. So you need to just submerge them into salt water, half tablespoon of salt and around 2 cups of water, and then we can start with the process. So for the veggies you need very basic ingredients, that is around 1 cup of or half cup of corn flour, and then 1/3 cup of plain flour. Please add 1 tablespoon of salt or salt as per your taste. Mix well. We can start with adding some water. Here I've taken around 150 to 250 ml of water. We need to keep on adding water unless we get that liquid consistency. It should not be too runny or not too thick, just liquid consistency. So our batter is ready. Now we can add some chili flakes to it. I've taken around 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. You can also add green chilies and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Please give it a good mix. Combine it thoroughly. Now you can add coriander leaves, around 1 to 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, finely chopped. Then finely chopped garlic, around 2 tablespoons, or as per your taste also. I like more of garlic. Give it a good mix. Please sprinkle some pepper powder and give it a thorough mix. Combine it well. So our batter is ready to go. Now we can just place the steamer, and in goes the potatoes inside the steamer. We need to half cook them. Don't overcook it. or else it's going to be soggy. So just half cook it for 8 minutes approx, 8 to 10 minutes. But better to check post 8 minutes. Please cover the potatoes and on medium flame, we need to cook them half for around 8 to 10 minutes. Post 8 minutes, please do check it and then switch off the flame. So post 8 minutes, I guess it's done. It looks good. The steam has been evaporated. So we'll be transferring this immediately to a strainer so that it doesn't overcook it. Immediately transfer them. So let me show you a very close look. This is what we are expecting. This is perfect. Cuts into 2 pieces and not too soggy. This is perfectly cooked for around 8 minutes. Then again immediately transfer them into a strainer. See that it doesn't overcook and do not overload it. It needs to get rid of the excess water in it. So need to air dry it and completely cool it. So now you need to just cover or sprinkle rather the corn flour powder all over the bowl and just toss the potatoes to it. Do not mash it, be gentle and just toss them. And you can add in around 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn flour powder. Post you cover and mix and toss it. We need to now dip them and coat into the batter which we have well prepared it. Drop them carefully into hot oil and let them fry for only 5 more minutes. So this half cooked veggies will be fried for only 5 minutes and then we can transfer them into a paper towel so that get rid of the excess oil, and then again we will fry them for more 5 minutes. And that's how that crispiness will be added, the crunch will be maintained to the potato wedges, and also it will enhance the color of the veggies. So that's the trick. You need to fry it double. So the trick is to make it crunchy and crispy, you need to immediately transfer the potato veggies into an open strainer. If you close the lid or if you transfer them into an airtight container, it will completely turn into soggy and it will be a disaster. So it needs air basically. So just look at this. It looks so perfect, crispy and crunchy at the same time. A perfect weekend snack. Do sprinkle some mixed herb. Serve them with your favorite, rather my favorite, tomato chili sauce, and experience the crispiness, the crunchiness of the potato veggies. Enjoy. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video today. Do leave us with your feedback and your honest review in the comment section below. Thank you for watching Dimple's and Arabian journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon Also, do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by the name Flour and Aroma. Do subscribe us and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.